Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the smartest buys for everyday life. Today, we're taking a closer look at what might just be the best multiple eyeglass holder on the market, the Colorado Z Sunglasses Organizer with 12 slots. If you're someone who loves collecting eyewear, or you're just tired of finding your sunglasses scattered everywhere, this sleek, two-story case might be your new favorite thing. First up, let's talk design. This organizer measures 13.2 inches by 7.7 inches by 6 inches, spacious, yet compact enough to sit perfectly on a dresser or shelf. The exterior is made of high-quality moisture-proof PU leather, giving it a smooth, professional look that fits right in with modern interiors. It's got that refined black finish that feels both classy and neutral. Open it up, and inside you'll find a soft lining that protects your eyewear from scratches. The slots are each 6 inches long by 2.2 inches wide, fitting standard and oversized sunglasses with ease. Function meets form beautifully here. The organizer has 12 compartments spread across 2 levels, giving you more than enough room to store all your favorite pairs, whether they're aviators, readers, or prescription glasses. What makes this stand out from other boxes is the clear acrylic top. This see-through lid lets you easily scan your collection without even opening it, which is perfect when you're getting ready and trying to match your accessories with your outfit. There's even a drawer at the bottom, a hidden gem for storing jewelry, watches, or additional accessories. Want to get creative? You can repurpose the dividers and turn this organizer into a multi-purpose storage solution for more than just glasses. Now, let's talk about protection. The cozy organizer is designed to keep your valuables safe from dust and moisture. The lid locks securely, offering extra peace of mind, especially if you're storing more than just glasses inside. This isn't just about storage, it's about preserving your collection in like new condition for years. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast who switches glasses like outfits, or someone who simply wants to declutter and organize their space, this product is super versatile. It's perfect for use at home, in the office, or even in a boutique. And because of its presentation-worthy design, it also makes a fantastic gift. Birthdays, anniversaries, or even as a holiday surprise, it's a functional and stylish present that's hard not to love. To sum it all up, the Colorado Z Sunglasses Organizer with 12 slots isn't just storage. It's an elegant display case, a mini vault for your collection, and a stylish statement for any room. With its durable materials, practical layout, and smart features like the clear lid and drawer, it earns its place as the best multiple eyeglass holder available right now. If you're thinking of upgrading how you store and showcase your glasses, this might just be your next great buy. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another smart product review. See you in the next one.